Hello everyone, today we are going to learn something more about our WhiteHatBox app. Generally, you will find the download link and the serial number in your email box once you pay for the WhiteHatBox program. So you can click the link and download the WhiteHatBox. Or you can just download it at our official forum. Now I'm going to show you how to download, install and run the program. For Apple users, you need to install the Windows virtual machine in your computer and then install it according to the installation steps of Windows system. We also have a manual for Apple users. Now let's move to the manual. Well, here are the details. So if you could finish this, you can use WhiteHatBox just as Windows users do. Now we get back to steps of how to download and install our program. One thing we need to know is that most programs need to be supported by Microsoft .NET 3.5 framework. So if you don't have such a framework in your computer system, you need to download it first. Well, here we find Microsoft official website and click this. Before you download it, you can choose the language you prefer. Download it. And now you can get it installed first and then our WhiteHatBox. But actually, most of our Windows systems, including Windows 7 and above, have been installed with it already. So in most cases, we can ignore that step just in case of XP system users, server systems such as Server 2008 and Server 2002. Sometimes, .NET 3.5 framework has already been installed but not activated in Windows 7 and above. So we need to open the control panel of your computer system. Click Programs and Features and choose Turn Windows Features on or off to make sure your .NET 3.5 framework has been activated, and then click OK. Only this way can our program normally work. Well, preparations have been finished. Now we start to learn how to download and install our program. Now we take following like as an example. First, we find the access to our WhiteHatBox platform, and then we find the one we need among the lists. Here, you will find the download button below. You will see a page of instructions which account for the reasons why our program may fail to download because of the firewall settings, especially when we use some technical operations. So we are mistaken for virus. So here we want to affirm you that there was never and would never ever be any virus. We are a company which has already been running very well for more than 10 years, so we won't allow any virus to be in our softwares and ruin every effort we have made and even ruin ourselves. So you can trust us 100%. If you fail to download or install it for some reasons, I suggest you turn off your firewall or antivirus software first temporarily, or add an exception. Now it works when all the steps were finished. Here are two options. One is to download WhiteHatBox app. The other is to download following like directly. Two options are good for you. But we recommend that you download WhiteHatBox first and then download following like in it, because we have put all our softwares in it for a better management of all types of software programs, including present updating and getting back to the previous versions. But if you are not willing to download WhiteHatBox app and prefer downloading following like directly, it's okay. Now I'm going to show you both ways respectively. For WhiteHatBox app, we choose Save As button to create a new folder. Wait for a while and we can directly click Run. Now if you are reminded that the file doesn't exist or any other reason alike, Maybe it was deleted by your antivirus software. So you just need to turn off your antivirus software and try again. Click Run and install it now. Choose a folder you like. Create a desktop shortcut and move to the next. Not finished, and try to run it. But if I say this, it means we don't have enough rights, because WhiteHatBox needs administrator rights to write and read disk to run, and even needs to download some other programs, such as following like, and so on, especially when it was put in a system disk. So now click OK and choose to run as an administrator. Here is a new version. Okay, we start the update now. Now we type in following like and choose this. Download. Continue. Now wait for a minute. Now you can see the green Run button. Click Run and we see the login page. All you need to do is type in your name, email address, and serial number and choose Access. That's it. Well, that's all for the WhiteHatBox app download part. Now let's go to download following like part directly. Click download and then download directly. Still the same. Choose Save As and create a new folder. I have downloaded it before, so now I just need to replace it with a new one and still save it. Wait for a minute. Okay, finished. Open the compressed file and unzip all the files in it to a new folder, so we can run it. Now let's have a try. Create a new folder and name it as following like. Copy all the files to this new folder. Now we find where our following like is and double click to open it. Oh, it was prevented because it was regarded as an unrecognized app. Doesn't matter, we need to choose more information and run anyway. Just don't let it be prevented anyway, even when there are many the same defender cases. Now still the same, you need to fill in the blanks with your name, email address, and serial number, and choose Access to run it. If you hope it works automatically next time, keep auto access chosen. Here are some more useful information. If we meet any error and mistake when unzipping the file, probably we don't have a decompression software in the computer, so we need to go get it. You won't be bothered if you download WhiteHatBox app because unzipping file is included in it, but you may be faced with it when you download following like directly. So now we turn to a software called WinRAR. We find it here. Choose this one. Download and install it, and then we can finally unzip our compressed files. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.